Seedance 2.0 is one of the most talked about AI video generators. It generates AI videos in high quality, multiple camera angles, and the qualities compete with Hollywood movies. That is why it's one of the most talked about AI videos. In this particular video, I will show you a platform that allows you to generate AI videos using Seedance 2.0. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I will show you how to use Seedance 2.0 to generate your movie series, your videos, or your cartoon animation videos. Do not forget to hit the like button of this video and subscribe to the channel. I want to see your comment on the comment section. Now, this particular platform gives you credit on a daily basis. Now, let's get started. Let me show you how to access this platform.
Right on your browser, okay, I'm using laptop browser, Google search, type in Orate AI. This is this particular first one. Type in OREATE AI. Okay, make sure you're seeing this orange logo. All right, this particular one, you click on it. Okay, once you click on it, it opens up. Remember, you can access this particular platform using any device that has browser. Any device that has browser. Okay, so you open it up, it pops up. This is how the interface looks like. Okay, you have to allow it to properly open up. All right, now this is how it looks, though I've not signed in. Okay, but just take your time and go through the platform and see what it does. All you can see AI one-click image of claim. Okay, you can see what you can generate on this platform. Right, but first, on the top right hand side where you see login, okay, click on it, it takes you here, you sign up using Google. Okay, click on it, and once you sign in, you get credit. Once you sign in, you get free credit. Take this out. Now this is the 50 credits. Now it is 50, but on a daily basis you get 30 credits. Logging in is 50, on a daily basis is 30 credits. Okay, right now we have 80 credits, and with this 80 we can actually generate AI videos. Now on a daily basis, for those that know Google Flow AI, is just like this particular, that is, they are just similar when you have a daily credit. Okay, so on a daily basis you get credit. Now you can see all you can do: AI video, image generation, script agent, AI design, general. Just click on the video, which is our aspect, our area of interest. So I've clicked on video. Now right here you can see these are all the AI video generators you can use on this platform. These are all of it. King, Seedance. Okay, one AI is equally there. All right, view is equally there. Okay, but we are leaving it as Seedance 2.0 right here. There are, you can do motion control, but right now let's go for test image to video. Okay, I'll click on it. This first one right here. Okay, you can see it. Once I click on it, now the next thing for us to do is our image. Okay, our image, we went for image to video generation. So I'll just, this is ChatGPT. All right, I'll just copy this image prompt and generate the prompt. For us to generate the prompt, we will be using Google Flow. Now Google Flow gives you access to generate images for free. Okay, for free, and still on that platform you can actually generate image, but it is not free. So we prefer we do image generation that is completely free. Okay, so I click on new project, right, and paste the video prompt, sorry, the image prompt I got from ChatGPT for the scene we want to generate the video. All right, click on it and it generates your video, your image. All right, it generates the image, you wait for it. Now once it is done generating, I'll just go ahead and download it, so we'll be able to upload it and use it. Okay, Now we're waiting for the image to be done, and boom, our image is ready. All right, so I'll just go ahead and click on the three dots you see up there and download it. 1K is very much okay. All right, now having done this, let's head back to ChatGPT. Now, what am I looking for right here on ChatGPT? We need to copy the video prompt. Okay, the video prompt of this particular image you just generated. So I'll just go ahead, copy it, then come back here. Click here, you see add image. Click on it and you get to see the image. Click on it and add it. Right, immediately you add the image. Okay, that is the particular image you want to animate. Then you paste the video prompt. Okay, paste the video prompt and send it right here. Click on send for it to start generating your video. All right, make sure you go through everything right here. The size, the ratio, all right, the resolution, and the seconds. Once you've gone through them properly and you're satisfied, now one thing about this tool, the highest video generation they give is 10 seconds. It doesn't get to 15 seconds, it's just 10 seconds. That is the highest duration you can generate video on. So clicking on send, it has started generating my video already. All right, you can see their video generation. All right, it is generating my video, which you have to give it time for it to generate. All right, now the good part of this particular tool is you have a daily 30 units. Every day you log in, you get credit. So you being limited to generating a video, all right, it is not you have to log in for you to be able to generate consistently. All right, you will be given 30 credits on a daily basis, but make sure you log in. If you do not log in, you cannot accumulate those 30 credits. You must always log in. All right, now our video is almost ready. Right, it is almost ready. Now here is what it generates for us. So I'll just go ahead and play it. All right, so once you're done previewing it, you can see, let me play it here. Okay, let me play it here. Click on play. All right, so you just go through it, then you go on download. All right, right here you can see download. You can see download on the, this is the video. Wow, this is nice. I love this. Take this off, then right here is where you click, then download it. All right, and it downloads.